Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. For this project, I'm going to be using these two garden fences from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to start off by taking off these stakes, and I'm going to be using my scissors for that. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do is cut along the edge as close as possible. What I want to do is get a nice clean line. And on the opposite side of the garden fence, there is this little piece of bracket that attaches to the hinge that I just cut off. So I'll be cutting those off as well. So what I'm doing here is just kind of moving the plastic back and forth, and that way it kind of creates like a line or a crease, and then I can go ahead and just trim that off. I'm going to repeat those same steps with this second garden fence. Okay, so I'm done cutting everything that I needed to cut off both of these fences, and I just am showing you how close to the edge as I tried to get. And now I think I have those nice clean lines that I was looking for. So what I'm going to do is hot glue these two pieces together like this. Now I am using hot glue for this because this wall decor is going to hang inside my home. But if you want to hang this outside, go ahead and use like E6000 or super glue, something that will not melt with the heat outside. And now I'm just pressing the two pieces together so the glue can adhere. I'm also going to be using these pencil holders, and I'll be using 3 of them. And what I'm going to do is create plant holders for my wall decor. I'm going to be painting them with this acrylic paint. It's called Burnt Sienna. So what I did is I started to paint them, and I gave them 1 coat of paint with this acrylic paint. And then once they dried, I went ahead and I spray painted them with this Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra cover in the color Warm Caramel. But I wasn't too happy how they turned out, so I went back with the acrylic paint and I gave it 1 more coat on top of the spray paint, and this is how they turned out. I'm not sure if you can quite see, but it does give it 2 different color dimensions, and I like how that looks. Now what I'm going to do here is arrange my planters where I want them to be, and then I'm going to go ahead and hot glue them in place. I'm going to be using 3 of these succulents from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take out the succulent and then also use the foam that they come in and just cut them to size to fit inside my planters. I'm just going to add some hot glue to the foam and then just put them in my planters and hold them for a bit just so they could take hold. And now I'm just going to add my succulents to my planters, and my wall decor is complete. I use succulents for these planters, but really you can use any kind of greenery that you have or flowers and just let them just drape over the planters, and they'll look really nice. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and also comment down below what did you think of this wall decor. Until my next video, bye bye and God bless.